Hi, and welcome to 40 Preparation Tips for SCA Mathematics. Here is tip number 4. Today's tip will focus on measuring objects with a ruler that does not start from 0. When measuring objects with a ruler that does not start from 0, the length of the object can be found by either counting on or finding the difference between the endpoints of the object and its beginning. There are many ways to find the midpoint of a line. However, one of the ways is by adding the two endpoints and dividing the sum by 2. Let us get into some examples. Suppose you were asked to find how much longer is the pencil than the pen. An easy way of doing this is to count on. However, this might be a tricky exercise for some students. So let us look at another way of getting this answer resolved. Let us reproduce the diagram. We can first find the length of the pencil by examining the endpoints. Here and here are the endpoints of the pencil, so that the length of the pencil will be equal to 45 minus 37 equals 8 centimeters. Similarly, we can find the length of the pen by subtracting the endpoints. Here and here are the endpoints, so that the length of the pen will be equal to 43 minus 48 centimeters, and this is equal to 5 centimeters. Now that we know the length of the pencil and the length of the pen, we can find the difference. The difference is found by subtracting 5 from 8, which is equal to 3 centimeters. So we can answer the question, how much longer is the pencil than the pen? The pencil is 3 centimeters longer than the pen. In this example, we'll be looking at finding the midpoint of a line. Suppose you were given this line and you were asked to find the value of m, where m is the midpoint of the line. To find a fraction that m represents, let us look at our working column. The first thing that we should do, as was previously mentioned, we add the two endpoints. That is, we add 1/8 and 17/24. Note that these two fractions do not share the same denominator. This means we have to bring them to the same family, the family of 24ths in this case, so that 1/8 would be equal to 3 24ths. So now that we have both fractions to the same denominator, we can add both of them by simply adding the numerator. 3 plus 17 would be equal to 20, so that the fraction 3 24ths plus 17 24ths would be equal to 20 24ths. This can be reduced to be 5/6. Now that we have performed the addition, the second stage to find the value of m is to find half of this value. That is to say, we divide 5/6 by 2. This will be equal to 5/6 multiplied by a half, because division is the same as saying inverting and multiplying. This would be equivalent to 5/12. So that the value of m would be equal to 5/12. This is the end of the video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and put on that notification bell so that you can see when the other videos giving the 40 tips are uploaded.